Hola, Hipparinos!
What's happening?
Welcome to this episode of the Disney Beams. I'm Sherry.
And I'm Gooch.
Or what mid 2000s band are you from? Nickelback?
No.
Chevelle?
No.
Hoobastank?
No.
Lifehouse?
No.
Anyway, and Josie's in there watching Bugs Bunny.
Yes, she's in there watching Bugs Bunny.
So,
but we have some mail.
We do have some mail, so we're here to find out what's in the box. All right, so this is from our friends at Mickey's Mystery Box. Going to go ahead and do our disclaimer as normal. We are not sponsored by them. We are featured on their website, but we are not sponsored. I pay for this with my own money. This is the small monthly subscription box called Spoonful of Sugar. It's $29.99, and then with tax and shipping comes out to around $40-ish a month. So I think that's it for the disclaimer.
Yeah.
So. But we get more than...
And we do have a video of ours. There is a video of ours on
That's what I was saying.
Yeah, on their page. But that was done with our permission. There was no...
That's right.
Yeah.
By the way, believe me, Mickey.
And since he's technically a Disney character now...
Look at this.
Wow.
What?
And since he's technically a Disney character now...
He is.
Yeah.
He is.
He's Marvel.
That's right.
Just saying.
And Fox. And Fox is now owned by Disney, so...
Right.
I am going to say, though, that since Fox is now owned by Disney, Greatest Showman, a show in Hollywood Studios, that needs to happen.
Yeah, that would be really good.
Just saying. Anyway, so we're here. We'll talk a little bit afterwards, but we're going to find out what's in the box. All right.
So Big Sis Lisa, thanks for that.
Yes.
Because
I think I said it offhand in one video, and then she
just ran with it.
She just took it to another level.
Oh, I see. We start off with a park map.
We do, and it's Hollywood Studios, and look who's on it. It's that new Lightning McQueen Racing Academy thing.
Nice.
We have not done yet.
No.
So.
I didn't know that was a thing.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that at Hollywood Studios? Hey guys, I have issues. I'm just saying.
He was a blonde jock in high school. I'm just saying.
So,
looks like
that's cool because we'll talk about why that's cool in a little bit.
It is cool.
I see. We have our packing confetti.
And I also see
we haven't had the packing confetti in a while.
We have.
So as is tradition.
Is back. Hey, buddy.
Thank you, Mickey's Mystery Box.
And someone has been watching our videos because someone knows that Cherry is a huge fan of the original Mickey Mouse Club.
What? Look at that. That's awesome.
Oh my God, he's so adorable.
Mouseketeers.
It's got his name on, like the old Musketeers used to have. Mouseketeers.
We're not talking about D'Artagnan.
D'Artagnan! I love that movie. But it's got his name on it, like they used to have on the original Mouseketeers, and then on the back,
Mouseketeer.
Oh my God,
that's awesome.
Oh my God, I'm like so in love. He's got like little blue pants on and his black feet.
So it retails for $21.99.
It does retail for $21.99, and by the way, we always get more than our money's worth.
Always,
with these
every
boxes.
time.
But
that's awesome.
Oh my God, he's just,
that's totally gonna be Cherry's.
Okay.
You just went.
I sure did. Oh my goodness, what is this?
Oh, it's the rose.
It is the rose from Beauty and the Beast.
And you know what? I bet it lights up.
Belle, live the adventure and find true beauty within. Belle Rose Spinner. Oh, okay.
So you got to take the tab out.
Well, wait. Let's see if it.
No, you got to take the tab out. There you go.
All right. Well, first of all, this is
lavender.
Yeah, lavender. I think this is for Josie because it says 3. Maybe this is like one of the things you can hold up during the nighttime parades if there ever is one.
Oh, look at that. That's awesome. And it plays the music. Sweet.
Oh my God.
Josie's gonna love that.
I love this. Oh, it's.
I bet you hit the button again and it turns off.
No, it changes
Changes
color.
colors.
Okay, you hit it
So-
twice. Oh my God.
So it's dual mode.
Yes. I'm like in love with this. And see, you got the little petals at the bottom too.
Nice.
Oh my God. See the detail on the bottom? Oh my God, this is awesome.
Very cool.
So, yeah. So
Good call,
it's,
Mickey's Mystery Box.
yeah, so it's, so yeah. That may just like be like a permanent fixture in our house.
I see, like, it changes colors, like, here in this mode.
Uh-huh.
And then it just goes to green.
And doesn't play the song.
Oh, and then...
Oh, and it does change color. Oh, there's red. There's multicolored. So it's multicolored, green, blue, and red.
Only that mode has the music. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Cool.
And I don't
Very
know
cool.
I don't know what code lavender is,
I don't know.
but I think this is for Josie
What?
or me.
It's
It says one
Clarabelle.
size. It's Clarabelle cow ears because it's got the little daisy up here,
That's Clarabelle. That's awesome.
and it says it's a one size. Let's see if there's a price on it. It doesn't have a price on it.
Well, it's all right. I mean, we know what ears run normally. They're normally not cheap.
Yeah, they're not the cheapest things, but oh my God, it's
It's
Clarabelle.
awesome, Clarabelle.
Here, let's do this right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Thank you for bringing back the packing confetti, by the
Yes,
way.
you
Mickey's
listen
Mystery
to
Box.
us. You
That's
listen
awesome.
to us. Not that we don't love the peanuts, but we
The
can.
packing confetti is
The
just so
packing
much
confetti.
fun.
Oh my God. Okay, so yet again another amazing Mickey's
Awesome.
Mystery Box. So to recap, we got the Hollywood Studios with the Lightning McQueen Racing Academy. You know that's in Hollywood Studios. The Musketeer Mickey plushie. Oh my gosh.
That's gonna be mommy's. We got the Beauty and the Beast
Spinner.
rotating rose spinner that plays music.
I'm like in love with that. And then we got these amazing Clarabelle cow ears. Oh,
Very cool.
awesome. Once again, like I said, Mickey's Mystery Box never fails to deliver quality products.
Every single time. Every single time.
So I guess the last time we talked to you guys, I guess I should give you an update. Josie made her dance team.
Yep.
And
Well, I mean, it wasn't even got any question
well,
about that.
no,
But
but
she's also doing what?
she is doing a solo this year.
Yeah.
She is excited to get started on that. Dance starts up in 2 more weeks.
Mm-hmm.
She's going to be attending a couple of conventions this year, which is going to be great for her.
She's been doing summer camp.
She has been doing
the Y?
summer camp at the YMCA.
Had a lot of fun with that.
Oh, she's loving that. She did dance camp earlier. She did summer dance. She's just growing up so fast.
Too fast. And she's lost her 5th tooth now.
She has now lost.
She pulled her 5th tooth
Yes.
out herself.
So if you remember, kind of towards like February, she lost both her bottom teeth on the same day, the front bottom teeth. Well,
While we're on our trip to
California, she lost her top tooth like here, and then she lost this one not long after we got back.
After that, yeah.
After we got back from the trip, and then the other day she lost this tooth right here, and she literally she pulled it out herself. Said, "Look,
Hey, the tooth fairy's coming."
Yeah.
Yay.
So she's just growing up so fast, and in a week and a half she starts first grade.
First grade.
Cannot believe this.
She keeps talking about being scared about going to first grade, but
She's gonna crush it.
She's got it.
She's gonna crush it.
She's gonna do so well.
Absolutely, she always does. So we got a lot of exciting things going on with her. Our next trip planned is in December.
The week of New Year's.
The week of New Year's, we will be there from the 30th to January 3rd. staying at Copper Creek at
Our
Wilderness
home-
Lodge,
our home property.
Our home property. That's awesome. Cannot wait.
Yeah, it should be fun.
We're going to have a special guest on that trip. We know how much you guys love Trach Monkey, but this time we are going to have
My mom.
Grandma Mona.
Yeah, she's going to be with us.
Yeah, so she is a missionary. She lives outside the country. If you guys have any questions for her, let us know. We can try to get them answered for you.
Yep.
She did a really cool thing at church. We did a FaceTime with her, and the kids in Josie's class at church asked her questions, and
Yep.
she talked about being a missionary, and it was
really cool.
It was really cool, and she's actually coming home in furlough in October. I believe.
And then going with us to Disney World in December.
Yeah, we can't wait. We're
It's
gonna
gonna be
have
awesome.
so much fun. I don't know how I'm gonna do with the crowds, but we'll see about that.
You know what? Let's just go have fun.
We're gonna go have
Let's
fun.
not worry about the crowds. We'll do what we can do, and we'll have fun.
Yeah.
I mean, really, it'll be about it'll be my mom's first trip since the 70s.
Yeah, she only went once?
One time back in 1977.
Yeah.
So a lot's changed.
We are not going to be doing Animal Kingdom on this because most of the park she lives there.
Yeah, I mean it's kind of pointless. The only reason that I would consider doing Animal Kingdom
Is Pandora.
Not even Pandora, but Festival of the Lion King.
Oh yeah.
That would be the only reason I would consider it, and we could go catch that show and then go somewhere else. But I think we can get more. I think it would be more beneficial for her to not do Animal Kingdom because literally, the big attraction at Animal Kingdom is Kilimanjaro Safaris, right? And
well, other than Pandora, but
Pandora or Expedition Everest.
Kilimanjaro
and
Safari,
not quite tall
she
for
can
that.
go on a real safari anytime she wants to.
And Josie's not quite tall enough for Expedition Everest, so I mean,
Is she not?
I think it's a 48.
Is it?
I think so.
Yeah.
But I mean, Flight of Passage would be the only other one to go for. But I mean, I'm not going to go for just one attraction that you have a hard time getting a fast pass for.
Yeah.
And the wait time is always ginormous.
Yeah. So, but yeah, we're past that. We are looking at possibly for spring break this year, possibly trying Hilton Head.
See if we can do Hilton Head.
See if we can get the Hilton Head property. If not, I have no problem whatsoever
going
back to Vera Beach.
If you watched any of the Vera Beach vlogs,
I hope you're enjoying these vlogs
Yeah.
because it was such a relaxing, amazing trip.
Yep.
The final episode is coming up this coming week, and I actually wanted to ask you guys. So we are also doing the January 2018 Disney World trip. Do you want to go ahead and start seeing the vlogs from our big cross-country trip this year? Do you want to see those concurrently with 2018, January 2018?
Or do you want to wait until
Or do you want
after?
to wait until after? Because we have the January trip, and then we also have the November trip that we did with the Watkins family from Magical Moments.
And then there's the 2018.
And,
the 2019 cross-country
and
trip
then
with
there's
Trach
a cross
Monkey.
with Trach Monkey. So do you want to see those concurrently with the Disney World vlogs? So give us a comment below
Let us know what you
and
think.
let us know what you think. Other than that, I think that's all I had.
Yeah, let's
Yeah. Josie, you want to come in here and say bye?
You want to help us sign off?
You want to see what we got?